The JA Fellows Program is targeted towards high school. We are in the high school because the skills and the talents that the kids need to get through this program are found in the high school. The maturity, the focus, the ability to take critical thinking skills and apply them into the business. Students work for 8 months in the classroom with their classroom teacher and a mentor, developing and running a real live business.
The Fellows gives us an opportunity to connect with students to help them make improvements to a business that they've been working on developing in their classroom.
There's nothing more valuable than a mentor. The experiences that business leaders have gone through, failures that have led us to success.
Our expertise, our own stories, and how we were able to achieve what we did.
It is such a wonderful experience to have someone that's actually been in the run, somebody that knows what's going on or what happens and what fails and what's successful.
Having the ability to talk with real people who have real experience in the business world is very, very helpful, and it's integral to creating like an actual business with an actual product.
Without a doubt, the mentors are probably the most important piece of our program.
And so growing that pool of mentors and volunteers is critical to the success of our programs. We know that those are the people that our students will remember. That volunteer or mentor can have such an impact on that young person's lives. It is a key ingredient to what we do.
Not many people can say that, oh, I designed a product when I was a teenager at 15, 18, and now it's a business.
Junior Achievement gives them a real practical way to apply some of the things that they're learning in school. So they're losing math skills, they're using negotiation skills, they're learning creative skills, and these are really important for them to be successful as they go on.
The big idea and the big takeaway for the kids is, I can really do this. I can develop a business with my team. We can learn all about the trials and tribulations of working a business.
I found this program when I was in middle school, and it definitely opened my eyes to how much someone at a young age can achieve when they really work for it.
I have a path that I want to follow, and I really feel that Jay has helped me do that.